7 amazing fruits to combat poor circulation, varicose veins, and leg pain. If you have heart issues, vein thrombosis, high blood pressure, or any cardiovascular condition, this video will be very helpful. Circulation problems stem from inflammation and oxidative stress at their core. So, by tackling these 2 factors, we're automatically fighting poor circulation as well. One fruit I'll mention has 2 substances that are perhaps the most used for treating circulatory issues. Today, I'll share simple, cheap, and effective ways to improve your circulation. Let's get started without delay, but first, help me out. Give me a shout. Is the audio okay? Can you hear clearly? Is it bad? Is there any interference? Hey, can you let me know in the chat or comments if my audio is good and you can hear me clearly? Thanks for your help. Now let's talk about fruit number 7, one of my favorites that I often mention, avocado. Folks, avocado is one of the richest fruits in omega-3, probably the richest fruit source of omega-3. Omega-3 is great for circulation due to its anti-inflammatory properties, its antioxidant effects, and the oleic acid in avocados also helps lower LDL, the bad cholesterol that clogs up our arteries. Plus, avocados are packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keeps blood vessels healthy. Often, people with hypertension or high blood pressure are actually deficient in potassium. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant great for heart health, and it's rich in fiber, helping control your cholesterol, regulate your blood sugar levels, make you feel full and eat less, thus helping manage obesity and excess weight, which are also risk factors for poor circulation. Be careful with avocados. What should you watch out for? Avocados are high in calories and fats, even if they're healthy fats. So if you eat too much avocado, you'll consume lots of calories. If you consume too many calories, what'll happen? You'll gain weight. So be mindful of how much avocado you eat. What I love most about avocados is their versatility. So you can eat avocado plain, make a smoothie, or whip up a delicious guacamole, one of my favorite recipes. So there's no shortage of ways to enjoy avocado. I mentioned that obesity and overweight are risk factors for poor circulation. Can anyone tell me another risk factor for poor circulation? Let's see if you all know this. I've already said one, obesity and overweight. Now, tell me another risk factor for vein and artery problems. Write it in the chat, put it in the comments, and I'll check the messages in a bit to see if you're paying attention and following our conversation. Tati Verissimo already mentioned one, sedentary lifestyle. Well done, Tati. Very good indeed. A sedentary lifestyle is also a risk factor for poor circulation. Let's move on to our 6th fruit, everyone. 6th fruit, and Nancy Nunes mentioned this. Smoking. That's right. Smoking is a risk factor for poor circulation. Great job, everyone. 6th fruit, apple. Apples contain quercetin, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that dilates and relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow. This quercetin is great for blood vessel health. Apples are also rich in fiber. These fibers aid digestion, ease constipation, lower cholesterol, and boost heart health. They're beneficial for these reasons and for helping control blood sugar levels. A key benefit of apples, it's low in calories. So unlike avocados, you can eat more without worrying about high calorie intake. Apples are low in calories. Our 5th fruit, which everyone knows and has, is the banana, folks. Bananas contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure as a vasodilator and maintains sodium metabolism. It has magnesium, crucial for vasodilation and vitamin D metabolism. So taking vitamin D is pointless if you lack adequate magnesium, because magnesium is a mineral used in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including the one that enables the use of vitamin D. So vitamin D without magnesium is useless. Bananas are also fiber-rich, aiding digestion, reducing fluid retention, and improving cholesterol. Now, if the banana is very ripe, be careful, as very ripe bananas have a high glycemic index, which can cause a more significant change in your blood sugar levels. You can mix it with high fiber foods like chia or flaxseed, or take apple cider vinegar beforehand, because apple cider vinegar will lower the banana's glycemic index and reduce the blood sugar spike after eating it, making it not so high, okay? Our 4th fruit is pineapple, rich in bromelain, an anti-inflammatory enzyme that reduces blood vessel inflammation. Additionally, pineapple contains vitamin C, which strengthens vessels, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and is crucial for maintaining vessel integrity, as vitamin C is necessary for collagen production, and collagen maintains the integrity of your blood vessel. Now, let's move on to our top 3, folks. Top 3, but first I ask you to like this video, to give it a thumbs up, to leave your like for this video here, because then YouTube will understand the content is relevant and will distribute it to more people. So when you like it, YouTube automatically sees that this content is good, people are liking. And what does it do? It shares it with everyone because it saw the content is good. So it sends it to more people. So your thumbs up can help someone improve their poor circulation. So what do you say? Let's set a goal of 5,000 likes for this video. 5,000 likes. Because then we'll know at least 5,000 people learn this information. So don't keep this information to yourself, okay? Don't keep it to yourself. Let's share this content, which is very positive and can help many people. Let's go. Fruit number 3, red grapes. They contain resveratrol, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance that reduces clot formation and relaxes blood vessels. People often ask me, Dr. João, can I drink grape juice? What's the issue with grape juice? First, grape juice lacks fiber, unlike whole grapes. Second, think about how many grapes it takes to make 1 liter of juice. It's a lot of grapes. It takes 1 to 1.5 kilograms of grapes to make 1 liter of juice. Have you ever eaten 1 to 1.5 kilograms of grapes in a day? Probably not, but it's easy to drink half or even a whole bottle of chilled grape juice at lunch. While the juice has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, it's also packed with concentrated grape sugar. You'd be consuming the equivalent of 1 kilogram of grapes, which is a lot. No one eats 1 kilogram of grapes, so be careful with juice, okay? Our second fruit is strawberries. They're rich in vitamin C and flavonoids like anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and strengthen blood vessels. Strawberries and other berries have similar benefits. Allies of your veins and arteries. And finally, our number 1 fruit. Let's talk about our first fruit, folks. Our first fruit, which is rich in vitamin C, right? As I mentioned, vitamin C strengthens blood vessels, fights oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, and helps maintain vessel integrity by aiding collagen production. These fruits, it's not just one specific fruit, but a group of fruits. They're rich in hesperidin, found mainly in the peel, which has anti-inflammatory properties and various benefits for vascular health. They also contain diosmin, which tones veins, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation, and combats oxidative stress. So folks, what fruit is this? What group of fruits has diosmin, hesperidin, and vitamin C? Who wants to take a guess? Who's going to make me proud? Who's going to write it in the chat? Who's going to comment below? What are these fruits? That's right. We're talking about citrus fruits, orange, lemon, and tangerine. Folks, these fruits are rich in vitamin C, hesperidin, and diosmin, especially in the peel. So, are you planning to make some lemon juice? Try making Swiss lemonade, okay? Blend the whole lemon, peel and all. Now, I'll mention 6 bonus fruits that also help improve circulation as requested. Let's see. Acerola, cherry, peach, guava, and watermelon. Guava and watermelon, mainly because they contain lycopene, okay? And lastly, mango. If you're diabetic, be careful with mangoes, all right? You shouldn't eat too much mango. We've discussed fruits that help improve your circulation, but it's time to say what we always stress on this channel. Just eating fruit isn't enough. Oh no, I'll eat all these fruits every day. So daily I'll eat avocado, apple, banana, peach, grape, pineapple. I'll eat this fruit daily, but I'll keep smoking, I'll keep drinking, stuffing myself with white bread. I'll keep adding sugar to my coffee, yes, and I'll stay sedentary, I'll stay obese. I'll keep eating fruit, drinking tea, or taking meds won't help you. It's pointless because you're not addressing the root of the problem. What causes poor circulation, folks? I said it yesterday, I'll say it again. I asked you what the causes are: obesity, inactivity, high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, smoking, drinking, poor diet. Folks, these are the causes of poor circulation. Poor circulation isn't from lack of avocados or apples. It's not. Your poor circulation is caused by your overall habits. It's your lifestyle, what you eat, what you do, how you sleep, how you manage stress, what you consume, if you smoke or drink. That's what causes poor circulation, and that's also what treats it. Once you identify the root cause of the problem, we need to address it directly. Do you follow what I'm saying? So, if you don't exercise regularly, if you eat poorly, if you don't get enough sleep, if you're always stressed, if you smoke, if you drink excessively, if you do all this, your circulation will suffer, plain and simple, because you'll develop high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and anxiety. Can eating certain fruits improve your circulation? Yes. Are there drinks that can help boost your circulation? Yes. Is there tea that's good for circulation? Yes, there is. How about foods that aid circulation? There are. But the key is making significant lifestyle changes. If you want the complete guide to the world's best scientifically proven lifestyle, it's not Dr. João's opinion, no. It's based on thousands of scientific studies. In conclusion, it's not just an opinion, but the result of thousands of scientific studies. I recommend you read my book, The Longevity Code, with 100 habits to live past 100 years. These habits will improve your circulation and help prevent diseases. What diseases? Cancer, heart attacks, strokes. It'll also help treat and reverse various conditions. Interested? Want to read it? Just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to get your longevity code.